Are you looking for information about your vehicle? Color designation or engine code? Something like an equipment list of everything that was installed as standard in your vehicle? Like leather, xenon brake system? Or are you looking for information on how to mount and unplug the timing chain? Or are you even looking for information on how to mount timing belts and what tools are needed for this? Or are you looking for information on how to correct the oil level in the DSG or automatic transmission? Or are you looking for specific original spare parts? Or are you looking for a suitable brake and don't know which one fits? Are you looking for oil quantities and the right type of oil for your car? Possibly the right automatic transmission oil? And how much oil is needed? Then you've come to the right place. Just write to me, and for a small donation, you will get all the necessary information from me.